In this video, we're going to compare the Anker A25M3 3-in-1 stand to the Anker A2557 pocket-sized folding 3-in-1 charger. These are two really flexible stands that are great for charging your Apple trifecta because you get a 15-watt Qi2 magnetic pad on the front, and then you also get a wireless charger for your AirPods, and then you also get an Apple Watch charger that is made for Watch Certified. Both of these charge the same exact devices with the same exact power and speeds, but there's a couple differences to note between them. So when we look at the stand, this has a very sleek and minimal look to it. Everything is fixed on it though, so you can't adjust any of the different mounts on it. Also, I do find that on this one, the AirPods charger doesn't do quite as good of a job at holding it in place, but it is still pretty good at having the non-slip pad. On the folding one, your AirPods go on the back and they just stay in place a little bit better. I find it's easier to get it centered on there. Both of them also have the Apple Watch charger. I do find that on the stand, the Apple Watch sometimes has a tendency to want to tilt to the side. On the 3-in-1 folding stand, I find that sometimes the display doesn't go in the correct orientation in nightstand mode. So I do prefer the Apple Watch look on the 3-in-1 stand versus the folding stand. And then on both of these as well, you can do your phone either in portrait mode or landscape mode, so you can rotate it very easily on that, but you can't actually adjust the angle of your iPhone on this one. But on the folding stand, if you want to adjust the angle to be able to better see a video, you can actually tilt it up or down to a certain degree, and you're able to get it not quite straight up, but it's at a very comfortable angle. And the standby mode works great on these both as well. So both of these are available in black and white, and they also each give you a USB-C charger that comes in at 40 watts, and you also get a USB-C to USB-C charger on both of these. On the folding stand, you get one that has a straight in on one side and a right angle in on the other. On the stand, you get one that's straight and straight. And then on both of these, they have a single USB-C port. On the stand, it's on the back, and on the folding one, it's on the side. There's also an indicator light that just comes on for just a second whenever you attach a device to either of these. Now just note, you will need to have a MagSafe compatible iPhone and an iPhone case that supports MagSafe if you're using a case on your phone with either of these. The 3-in-1 stand does come in at $100, and the folding stand comes in at $110. Both of these are available in black and white. So should you buy the 3-in-1 stand or the 3-in-1 folding charger? In my opinion, I like the folding charger a little bit better because it's more portable. Whenever we look at it right by my iPhone, you can tell that this thing is just so small. This is going to be great if you're on the go a lot and you want to stash it away in your backpack. If you want something that looks a little bit more permanent, a little bit more fancy, then I do prefer the look of this stand just because it has a little bit more of a fancy modern look to it than the folding one does. But it's going to be way easier to throw this in a backpack or a suitcase than it is to be able to throw the stand in a backpack or suitcase. So by the stand, if you want something that's going to be a little bit heftier, it has that nice big rubber non-slip pad on the bottom of it. Buy the 3-in-1 folding if you want something that's going to be sleek and slim and easy to travel with. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions about the 3-in-1 stand or the 3-in-1 folding charger, leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content, and be sure to check the links in the description below if you want to buy either of these.